It's a lovely hot summer day today. What could be nicer than a cream tea in the garden? And today we're going to be making the perfect scones to go with it. I prefer putting my jam on first and then the cream. Which way round do you prefer? Jam first or cream first? So let me know in the comments below. So let's cook. I have in the bowl here 375 grams of self-raising flour. So then put in a pinch of salt and a heaped teaspoon of baking powder. And just give that a good mix together. Next I have 100 grams of unsalted butter here that's cold straight out the fridge. I've just cubed that into small pieces. So pop that into the flour and rub it in until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. I'm going to stir in 30 grams of caster sugar now and just give that a mix in. So next I have about 175 ml of milk. Just gradually add that bit by bit to form a soft dough. Then bring it together with your hands, but don't overwork it. Place on a lightly floured board and pat out to about 2 centimetres thick. Flour a 5 centimetre cutter and cut out some scone rounds and place them on a baking tray. Then lightly brush with milk. That'll give them a nice golden finish when they come out the oven. They take 12 minutes in a preheated oven at 200 fan. So these are ready now. Best to eat when freshly baked and cooled. I have some chunky strawberry jam here, and it has to be, of course, thick clotted cream. When we had a deli, we used to post hundreds of tubs of cream, quite often abroad, or safely packed into polystyrene pots for posting. It's definitely good stuff. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, also don't forget to mention in the comments which is first, jam or cream, which you prefer. So I think I'm off in the garden now for my cup of tea while it's still nice and hot, and I think also I'm going to stuff my face with one of these. I'll see you next time. Bye.